love showing that bit, don't I? Developing hair system. Hold on. Yeah, I'm just exposing the hairline a little bit. I can see the root. I can tell. Oh guys, come on, cut me some slack. I reckon it looks great. Anyway, say hello to the beast. Hey beast, how you doing? Right, sensitive skin. Sensitive skin. When I first went ahead, back in the day, I said to Helen, who I got to know, the stylist from the place I used to go, in all fairness, they did a reasonable job for me, so I can't complain, even though it was expensive. I said, Helen, do you get any infections from this? And she went, yeah, Bill, we do. And I said, how many? And she said, 1 in 20. I went, you are joking, right? I said, that is high. This is in the 90s, right? Now I'm going to explain why. I'm not defending it because I think it's quite shocking, yeah? I had no idea what was going on in my head. It was probably super glue. Is that the reason why I'm like it now? Anyway, right, so, yeah, so basically, she said it's 1 in 20, right? So, you know, obviously I got into the business and that's alarming, yeah? I unfortunately didn't get any reactions from anything, you know, so and I've got really quite tough skin and I'm determined to have hair, aren't I? So sensitive skin, yeah, back in the day in the 90s, I think pretty much everyone had an infection. You know, that's the way it was awful. Two companies called Walkers and ProLabs got on the bandwagon with this new fad that I want to wear a hair system for a long time, and worked a formula for the adhesives that are fantastic, you know. So now, you know, there's none. You know, if there's any infection or anything or sensitive skin, then it's normally caused from people scratching. Sensitive skin, you know, it's quite important that the base material is a soft material. I would always use like a silk material. If someone came in with me that is really sensitive, if I can say this, people that come in that are going through the chemo, you know, they're going through, you know, a difficult time, and your skin's affected just like everything else when you're going through that. God bless, you know. So so then you need to work something out or design something that is okay for sensitive skin, which the different bases are, you know. So back in the day, in the 90s, the base materials are really quite bulky. And if they're bonded for 4 weeks and there's hair growth underneath, you know, it would cause sensitivity. Not for me, you know, I just didn't get any problems whatsoever. But, you know, that was something that was back then, you know, and everything's developed in a way, you know, the lace bases are so light and it can sit on your scalp fine. It doesn't affect your scalp at all. It breathes, you know, when you wear bulky systems that don't allow you to breathe, that's going to cause sensitive skin. So it's all quite logical, really. What can we do with products? It's scalp protector, really, which I feel is the best. That puts a layer over the scalp and helps a bond, etc. And that will help with sensitive skin. Let me think about this a minute. Sensitive skin, yeah. Well, if you got sensitive skin, then it's not smart to bond for 4 weeks, is it? You know, you'd have to work out a formula where you do it once a week so you can cleanse your skin and so forth, take the hair system off. You know, sometimes people can take hair systems off for the weekend, and they do that, you know, so put a cap on and then go from there. So you can always work around something for people that have got sensitive skin. It shouldn't be one of the many excuses people have got. Oh, I've got this, I've got that, can't do this. It basically comes down to you're trying to find an excuse not to do this, you know. So and with all the companies, they kind of like close the doors on you, really. You can do it because we got this, we can do it because we got that, you know. So so there we go. I'm ending on a positive, or a salesy positive. Just go for it. And my touch wood, my public liability insurance has not been used, so touch wood, long may that continue. So, sensitive skin, guys and ladies, come in and give it a go. Speak to you later, bye. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below. and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.